Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make Golden Facial Oil Serum. This facial oil doesn't contain gold, but it has some wonderful ingredients which are not less than the gold. So, this is the facial oil which we are going to make today. This facial oil has some wonderful oils like Rosehip Oil, which is a good source of vitamin C. To boost the vitamin C benefit, I have added Amla extract, which is also a good source of vitamin C. To help with the scars and to help in reducing the scars and blemishes, I have included grapeseed oil, black seed oil, and Germ oil, which are known to help in skin healing. I have added Ylang Ylang essential oil for some soothing and de-stressing benefits. Also, I added vitamin E oil, which is known to reduce oxidation of the oils. Let's see how to make this wonderful oil today. This facial oil also contains rice bran oil, which is a good source of vitamin E, B, and it contains squalene, which is naturally found in skin sebum. I apply this every night, 3 or 4 drops on my face, massage it gently. It helps in reducing the stress and also promotes skin healing. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. For more such videos, stay tuned.